look at this. Now this is what I call service. You've got Ciroc, vodka, and you have probably some beer. And what are you making? Caesars?
Bloody Marys and Ojo Rojo, man.
Ojo Rojo. What would that be?
It's clam juice with beer, a little bit of lime, and a little bit of...
I'm in. I'm in.
Did you say lamb juice?
No, clam.
Yeah.
Clam juice.
Clam.
and also lime
Clamato.
juice.
Are you American? Are you American?
Yes.
Yeah, they don't seem to have clamato juice in the States. I'm from Canada.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is just too yummy.
Presentation to it. You're such a show off.
You're such a show.
Sí.
Now I have a channel that I'm going to put this on. Our channel is called Destination Drinkers on YouTube.
Really?
Yes. And this will be on our channel. Oh my goodness. What fun. Okay, and this is called again a
Ojo rojo.
Ojo Rojo. Okay, this is the test here. Oh my goodness, that's yummy.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Enjoy it.
you.